Image masks are a nice way of adding a little bit of interest or a little bit of value into your productions. Now, there's lots of different things that you can do. You can be really creative with these masks. I'm just going to show you a very basic scenario here. So all I've got is a media source playing. I've also got a studio caller in here as well, which is myself. Here I am as the caller. So I'm going to apply a mask to my webcam image here. So with the caller one selected, I'm going to click on filters. And then in the effect filters, you can either click the plus icon or you can right click in the effect filters box here, come down to add and then go to image mask blend. You can give it a name if you wish. I'm then gonna, in the path box, I'm gonna browse and find where I have all of my masks saved. Now there are a few places online that you can download free masks. There's lots of different ways. You can create your own masks if that's what you'd like to do, if you're good at that sort of stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the mask that I would like to use here. I'm gonna go for this hexagon. I'm gonna open that. I'm gonna change the type to alpha channel. And there you go, I've applied the mask. It is as simple as that. Now I have a nice shape over my webcam image and I can kind of do with that what I like. And as I said, just add a little bit of production value into your workflow. Thank you for watching. You can access other instruction videos on our YouTube channel or by navigating to support.quicklink.tv.